Hi, we're Des and David.
And we're headed to Los Angeles and Chicago on a 2-week work trip.
I'm using the Synik 22 as my personal item carry-on and as a day pack.
I'm using the Synik 30 as my main travel bag. While we explore the 2 cities, it'll become my day pack.
Here's how we packed.
A pair of shorts and 2 pairs of pants. 2 aloha shirts, 3 t-shirts, and 1 button-down. 5 pairs of underwear and 4 pairs of socks. Shoes and flip-flops. A sweater and rain jacket, just in case. Cables, toiletries and towel. Toothbrush and shaver. Keys, headphones, business cards, notebook and pen. And my water bottle. Last but not least, my 15-inch laptop, because we gotta work. And now the fun part. All my clothes fit into a large packing cube, and I'll use the compression straps to keep it tied down. Loose items get organized into small packing cubes and pouches to be laid out on top. Here, the clamshell opening makes packing everything in a breeze. The different compartments outside help me to organize my small items. At the same time, they'll give me quick access to them when I need it on the go. Oh, and the padded compartment gives me easy access to my laptop.
I'm filling my pack with everything I'll need to work remotely and anticipate being out all day. This includes my 13-inch laptop, rain jacket and hat, a pouch filled with makeup, sunscreen, sanitation wipes, and tea bags. My camera with some extra film, plus a whole bunch of techie and not-so-techie stuff. I imagine each day being packed a little differently, but for now, this fits everything I need and I still have room to pack a lunch or bring something back with me.